Hello everyone and welcome to this interesting session where I will explain you the step-by-step process to install XAMPP. So now the world of web development could not have been what it is without this XAMPP. It is one bundle of a web server application, database and scripting language. So before we move to the installation step, let's first understand what exactly is XAMPP. So XAMPP. XAMPP stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache Server, M stands for MySQL, P stands for PHP, and again P is Perl programming language. So here is the interface of XAMPP. XAMPP is one of the best Apache distribution that helps web developers create a local web server for testing and deployment purpose. So it was designed to be one of the easiest ways to install and run a development server, and you can say it is the most complete package. So it is the interface of XAMPP. After installation will look like that. So now how to install XAMPP on your Windows machine. So first of all you have to go to Google and type XAMPP download. Then the first link, that is the apachefriends.org. From here you can download XAMPP. Otherwise I already provide the software to you and share the link on the Moodle. After this particular window will open. Here it will ask that you want XAMPP for Windows, for Linux or for Mac. So from here you can download for the Windows. Then these are all steps. I will show you each and every step practically. So after downloading, when you double click on XAMPP, it will start like this. Then simply click on next. It will ask you for the location, then the language, and at last, after some wait, it will install XAMPP on your machine. At last you will see this particular window, that completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Now after installation, XAMPP will look like this. So when you install XAMPP on your machine and just double click on it, it will show like this. And you have to start this Apache and MySQL. As for making websites, we need a server and a database. For database we use MySQL, and for server we use Apache. Sometimes on your machine it will give a warning, but you can ignore that particular warning also. Now for checking, like go to your browser and search for localhost to check that your XAMPP is running or not. So by typing localhost, you will see simply this window. So by this way you can check that XAMPP is successfully installed on your machine. Now from here you can open PHP MyAdmin also. Like here is the link, that if you want to open PHP MyAdmin, then click on this particular button and you will get this PHP MyAdmin. Before understanding that installation of WordPress on XAMPP, let me show you the steps of installation of XAMPP. So on my machine I already have a software of XAMPP. Just double click on it. It will simply ask that you want to allow this app to make changes. So no worry about this, just simply click on yes. It will take some time. So see, it seems you have an antivirus running. So here it is showing a warning. So don't worry about it. Just simply click on yes. Again, a warning is there, so don't worry, just click OK and it will simply start the process of installation of XAMPP. Just click on next. All the features if you want, then click on next. The location, that is C XAMPP folder, next. Just language, next, next. And simply next. It will start the installation process. It will take some time to install XAMPP on your machine. So you can see all the steps which I have pasted in the presentation are going on. So now here comes the last step, that is the completing the XAMPP setup wizard. So it is asking me about the do you want to start the control panel now. So just finish it. It will open the XAMPP control panel. So here is the control panel. Just simply start Apache and simply start MySQL. See, on my machine it is giving an error for Apache. Why? Actually in my machine I already using a server with the .NET, so on same port number two server can't be possible. By default the port number is 80. So for changing the port number for my XAMPP server, I just have to go to config, select Apache httpd.config file, just search for listen, LISTEN in this file. Here is the listen. So by default the port number is 80, but I am going to change it as on 80 port. I have already running .NET. So just save this file. Now try to first stop it and try to start MySQL. Now you can see it is functioning properly. Here you can see the port number also, that is 8080 is the port number. So if in your machine you don't have any server already, then here 80 will display. So it is the process of installation of XAMPP server. Okay. So for checking that XAMPP is working properly or not, on your browser just simply write http://localhost. You have to write 8080 for that. So when you click on it like localhost, I'll just type localhost:8080, enter. So it will show me the XAMPP Apache server, or you can say it is a dashboard, and by this window you can take this that XAMPP is successfully installed on your machine. Here is the link for PHP MyAdmin. By this you can go to PHP MyAdmin. So this is the installation process of XAMPP on your Windows machine. Thank you.